Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. This piece here, the bottom's a piece of Koroit. The others I don't know where they've come from, but I'm pretty sure that piece is Koroit. Rules in millimetres, materials wetted, and the white that you can see occasionally is a reflection of the lights. I've just gone a little bit closer so you can see each piece a bit better. This piece of Koroit's got some nice colour in the back there. Slice that off, still end up with the stone on the front. The other pieces are lower grade material. Might be worthwhile grinding this down and you might get better colour. These have been blocked out to reduce the weight, so interesting picture stone, so we don't have to pay so much for postage. Some nice green fire under this piece. Once you grind it down a little bit, you might get better colours, but there's no guarantee. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.